Ain't nobody put us on, we had to get it on our own. Welcome to StyledbyLex, she's the queen up on the throne.
What's up, y'all? It's StyledbyLex back at you with another video. Let's just jump right into it. Alright, so first you want to cut some holes in the wig cap so it's flat around your hairline. It gotta be flat. Then you're going to take your Got2b gel. You want to apply a generous amount around your hairline. This will secure the cap under your wig to give that scalp illusion. Alright, it's time to bust out that blow dryer. You want to blow dry your cap on warm or hot until it is completely dry and no longer tacky. Now that your cap is completely dry, you want to take your foundation and apply it on the cap evenly around your hairline as well as behind the hairline. You want it to look like you have a bald head. Now that your makeup is fully distributed onto your cap, you're going to take your scissors and cut off the cap. I like to cut by the ear first, then cut the middle, then cut the other ear, then cut around the perimeter. Once it's all cut off, you're going to go back in with your makeup brush and make sure that your cap and your skin is the same color. Alright, you're going to take your cotton round and your 99% alcohol, and I want you to clean your forehead. Yes, I know, we just applied makeup and now I want you to clean it, but before applying the glue, you need to make sure that your skin is completely cleaned. If it's not cleaned, it shortens the lifeline of the hairstyle, and in 2 days, your wig will be lifting and right off. Y'all, I am using my Hold Me Down adhesive from Ericka J, and let me tell y'all, matter of fact, I'm gonna let y'all see for yourselves. Anyways, this step is not necessary at all, but I like to make sure that my cap doesn't go anywhere. So I take my glue and I apply it on the hairline so it's secured. You gotta back that bad boy blow dryer right back out because you need to make sure that the glue is clear before applying any other layers onto it. So we're gonna blow dry again on warm or hot. It's your preference. I know y'all see this bomb wig in my hand. It is from StyledbyLex, obviously. Look at the inside. Like, come on, y'all. Yes. Those of you who are new to my channel, I always make sure that I apply the makeup under the lace as well as on top of the lace. You want to make sure that the makeup is fully saturated. There's no white spots. You can't see any squares or lace mesh window. You want to make sure it's all covered with your makeup skin complexion. Can somebody say lace check? So I still see some light spots and it's not fully evenly spread out. So I'm just gonna go in again with my makeup brush and make sure that I get every single hole on that lace. Alright guys, so I went ahead and cut the lace off camera because I needed to see exactly what I was doing. Before I fully put the glue on and take the wig off and do all that good stuff, I like to create an outline with the glue so I know exactly where my hairline is and where the hairline of the wig is and where I want it to be. Once I'm confident in the outline that I've created, I don't need the wig anymore. I'm just gonna keep going back in layer after layer after it's completely cleared and just keep applying my glue. Boop. The blow dryer is back in our hands because don't nobody got time to be waiting for this glue to dry by itself. I know y'all see how clear that glue is. Like, look at that, transparent. Oh, you're now gonna take the wig and put it on the outline that you have already created with your glue, and boom, magic. After you place the wig on the hairline, you're gonna take your rat tail comb and pull out some of the hairline so that you can press that wig into your head. Now that the wig is down, it's pressed down, I like to go back in, and any other piece of lace that's lifted up, I'm gonna go in with my skewer and I'm gonna put that glue on it so everything is melted. Ooh, I know y'all see that scalp action. Now, Erica, you done came out with another product. Guys, this is Miss Erica's hair foam fluff stuff, or as you may also know, the styling foam. As y'all can see, I'm just going in, applying the mousse because I want to mold this wig down so flat that I could put my son's butt up on it. Why does she have a frontal wrap, some may say? Listen up. You need to make sure that this wig, any wig, is fully cured before you add any mousse, before you do any baby hairs, before you do anything, add any Got2b gel. It has to be fully dried before you attempt to do your edges. If not, your wig is just gonna fall right off. Perfect. We are all tied up. We're all ready to style now. This has to be my favorite part because all the hard work is done. I lied. We still gotta do baby hairs. But all the hard work is pretty much done. Erica, baby girl, you got another product. This is her freeze bully. Like, when I tell you, any flyaways that you have on any wig, it's gonna just straighten it right out. It's gonna stick to the other hairs that you won't even realize what's happening. So your wig is gonna be on flat. This step is literally a necessity. This has to be done before you put that hot comb on it. And once you put that hot comb on it, who's not to tell you that this is not your hair, that this is not coming out of your scalp? It's yours, baby girl. I don't know if it's just me, but I have crazy PTSD about these flat irons, okay? My grandmother did not help at all when she burned me 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times down the line. Y'all know it's about to get real because after the hot comb, what comes last? The baby hairs. You know when somebody pull their hair back, it's about to get real. I lied. Before we get real, we need to cut off the excess lace that's around the ear flaps. If not, your wig is gonna look like Cardi B with the ear tucked under. We can't have that. Okay, now we're doing the baby hairs. I know y'all see how focused I am because baby hairs make or break the hairstyle. If them joints look crazy, but your wig was laid, nobody knows because the baby hairs is on top of the laid wig. So you got one time to get it right. Erica, All right. You doing the damn thing. You got another product? Honey, this is the styling gel. I use this for my edges because once I put it down, I don't need anything else. Like, my edges will last me about a week. Y'all see the brush? Y'all see the gel. Now it's time to swoop them edges. For y'all hairstylists that's watching this video, I know sometimes the edge brush ain't doing the trick, so you gotta back out that comb. I'm more of a natural type of edge girl. I don't like the dramatic baby hairs. I want it to look like it's coming out of my scalp, so I don't do too much with my edges. Y'all know what's next. Tie your edges down so it could be secured and laid, and so it could dry all the way. Woo! Can I get a drum roll, please? Boom. Bursting. Okay, edges are done. Frontal wrap is off. We have to go back in with the hot comb to make sure that there's no lumps around the hairline. Everything is flat. After you do all of those steps, you basically just install the wig and it looks flawless, honey. If you want to see more videos, smash like that, comment, and subscribe to my channel. It's StyledbyLex. Peace!